Welcome back. I'm so glad you guys can make it. So for today's recipe, I'm going to make some chili lime linguine. New recipe. Can't wait to try it out, but I think it's gonna be bomb, y'all. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel as well as follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get it going. I have a pot of boiling water here. I'm going to add my linguine to it. I'm going to put it on for about 9 minutes, or you can do whatever it says on the back of the box. And after that, we'll prep our vegetables. I did not mean to pour the whole box in there. It's too late. Okay, whatever. So next, guys, we're going to dice up this zucchini, and we're gonna dice the chiles, and make sure you take all of the seeds out of these. Thin slices into quarters. So our pieces will be about that size, guys. And then you want small strips for the green onions. The zest of 1 lime. And we can get the juice off this lime here. I know how to hold it this time, y'all. You hold it upside down so the juice don't run all down your sleeve. Yeah, I learned that in school. Have a little olive oil on medium heat. I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic to this pan and saute that just for a little bit. So that would be 2 teaspoons if you're using, you know, the pre-mixed stuff, which I do because I don't feel like peeling the garlic clove because it's just doing too much. I had this on medium if I didn't say that already. I have our veggies all prepped here. Our zucchinis, I have 3 zucchinis here, diced. It's been like 1.5 minutes. I'm gonna hit this with a little salt now. About 1/2 teaspoon. And maybe a whole teaspoon. Get us another good stir. And now we're ready to add the shrimp. So I'm trying to put these shrimp here in the middle of the pan so they can cook and turn pink. Do they thing. Almost done, guys. Come on, shrimpies. So we can add the zest. And the lemon juice. Heaven. I'm in heaven. Alright. We're almost through this. Just gotta add the scallions. 2 tablespoons of butter. And I know this is gonna really make it flavorful. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add the linguine. I'm gonna start small since I overpoured my linguine, but you should have about a pound. About a pound. So here is our chili lime linguine with shrimp. I saved some of the scallions as a garnishment and I added a little parsley flakes, but yeah, I already tasted it too and it's like, it's mad spicy for real, even with that little bit of jalapeno, but it's the bomb. Okay, this ain't half bad for a little yang 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 round the house. This is a perfect light meal for the middle of the week or even the weekend for that matter. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. As always, thank you for watching and just stopping by and rocking with your girl. Again, thank you to all the subscribers. Make sure y'all step by next Tuesday. I'll see you next time. Peace.